Train your English voice to use be, have, and do in sentences. Be, have, and do can be used as auxiliary verbs. They can be used with other verbs to help indicate a tense. They always go in front of the main verb. The auxiliary be is used to show the continuous and the passive voice. Let's look at the sentence structure using be in the continuous tense. In the present continuous, I am, he, she, or it is, you, they, or we are, plus the verb plus ing, such as walking or giving. In the past continuous, I was, he, she, or it was, you, they, or we were, plus verb plus ing, such as looking, eating. Let's look at a sentence example. I'm waiting for my x-rays at the hospital. Now let's look at be in the passive voice. In the passive present simple, I am, he, she, or it is, you, they, or we are, plus a past participle, such as helped or given. The passive past simple, I was, he, she, or it was, you, they, or we were, plus a past participle, such as taken or eaten. Let's look at a sentence example. My x-rays were given to the wrong patient. The auxiliary do is used in interrogative, negative, and emphatic structures. Let's look at the sentence structure of the interrogative. In the present interrogative, do I, does he, she, or it, do you, they, or we, plus the infinitive, such as walk or give. The past interrogative, did I, did he, she, or it, did you, they, or we, plus the infinitive, such as look or eat. Let's look at a sentence example. Do you have my x-rays yet? Now let's look at the sentence structure of negative sentences. I don't, he, she, or it doesn't, you, they, or we don't, plus the infinitive, such as walk or give. The emphatic sentence structure is the same as the negative sentence structure, but do can be in the positive or in the negative. Let's look at some sentence examples. A negative sentence. They didn't know where my x-rays were. An emphatic sentence. They do know that I am still waiting. The auxiliary have is used to show the perfect tense. Let's look at the structure. I have, he, she, or it has, you, they, or we have, plus a past participle, such as looked or eaten. Let's look at a sentence example. Have you found my x-rays yet?